Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the NILLKIN Car Magnetic Wireless Charger 2. It is a fast charge edition with 10 watts max. So you see the box, it's magnetic and it works for car and desk. So let's see what's in the box. We have this instruction. So you can see different options. So the car charger is not included. What's included? That's the charging plate and the cable and 2 magnets, which we'll see later on, the X-shape magnet and the U-shape magnet. You actually don't need these instructions unless you have some problems, which you probably won't have. So let's take it out of the box. That's the charger. That's really nice looking. It has this nice metal frame and the charging plate is carbon fiber, which is really expensive material but allows to a lot of energy transmission to charge your phone really fast. So in the back we have this ball joint, so you can move it to every direction, literally 360 degrees. You can move it in every direction what you move. But you have to make sure, you have to know this is not centered. So this is not in the middle or something. So you have to really attach these either to your desktop or your car dashboard. But it's no problem because you have already pre-attached this 3M sticker, which you can just peel. You just peel it off the cover and you put it down wherever you want. That's pretty easy. And what do we have as well? We have some accessories, like as I already told you, we have these 2 magnets, the X-shape magnet and the U-shape magnet. They work really good. The thing is, they have a different thickness. So the black one, the X-shape, is a little bit thicker. It's about 2 or 3 times thicker than the U-shaped magnet. I have tried it with a case like this, and the X-shape produced a little bit of a bump, so I would recommend to use this without the case. You can use it, but it leaves a little bit of bump, but it sticks really good. You will see, like, this is the side which you attach to your phone. So as you see, so it has a really firm hold. So because it has the magnets on all the 4 corners, and so it has a really firm hold. So the U-shape magnet doesn't have exactly same firm hold as the X-shape, but it still has a really good hold. That was actually the wrong side, but you can turn it a little bit better, as you can see, but it still has a really firm hold, while the X is really, it has a super firm hold. Okay, so the thing is, if you want to use it with a case like this, I recommend you to use the U-shape magnet. I've been using that even without this sticker, and it stayed in place pretty good. So what you should be aware of, you shouldn't use this thing in a total vertical position like this. Otherwise it doesn't have enough hold, like especially if you're using that in a car. If you hit the bump, I wouldn't use it like this, because otherwise it slides down. You should at least maintain 45 degrees angle, or yeah, this is what I would suggest, so it has a really firm hold and it doesn't drop when you hit a bump. I was charging it without the case, with this case, and with this flipping case, which is really thick, and I didn't notice any difference. But the problem with my phone, it's an older phone, it's a Galaxy S6 Edge Plus, and I was only once able to reach the 10 watts maximum power. So 90% of the time I was only reaching 5 watts charging. So probably I think this is a problem with my phone, because it's a little bit older. And yeah, but apart from that, the charge was really reliable, and I think with a newer phone you should easily be able to reach the 10 watts max power at least. As yeah, of course you have to use a power which has 2 amps. So with the 2 amps by 5 volts makes 10 watts. So if you use only a standard power supply, like USB power supply with 1 amp, there's no possible to get 10 watts out. No way. Okay, just use power adapter with 2 amps, of course. The good thing is you have 2 spare stickers if you have used the first one and you have to remove it and you want to use it on another place. You have 2 spare stickers, so that's the good thing. So yeah, definitely it was really working, looking good, everything okay, except the fact that with my older phone I was only able to get a steady charge of about 5 watts. Unfortunately, I can't test it with a newer phone, but I mean, it has been tested, and I've seen other users which confirmed that they were able to get up to 10 watts, so I have no doubt that it's capable to do that. So yeah, that's it for now. Yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. And yeah, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.